Hi guys, my name is Tristan, a solution engineer in Aerosmart. For this demonstration, we are using DJI Dock3 integrated with FlightHub 2. DJI Dock3 enables fully automated drone operations. So today we will be using the DJI FlightHub 2 on-premise. I will show you how to plan routes and do cloud mapping, and I will show you the user interface of it. So the difference of FlightHub 2 and FlightHub on-premise is, in the FlightHub 2, you can store your data through cloud and you can access it by internet. However, the FlightHub 2 on-premise, you can store your data to your created local server. So on-premise deployment is ideal for government and critical infrastructure users who require maximum data control, security, and system independence. I have finished the coding. Now, let's test it. Log into your account on your domain first. Select project. Make sure the devices are assigned to the project. Enter to your project, go to Flight Library, and create route. Here, you can select different routes, but for this mission, I'll go with the area route. Now, select your aircraft series, then choose your drone model and click OK. Set the reference takeoff point, then establish and adjust the mapping area according to your operational needs. Next, check your parameters and confirm the altitude matches the area, then save, and we'll go back and select Task Plan Library to create plan. Name your plan, then select route you want to run, select device that you are going to deploy. Set the minimum return home altitude and adjust the other parameters as needed, then click OK. Now, I will demonstrate how DJI FlightHub 2 on-premises works. The drone has successfully taken, and now we'll begin the planned mapping mission. During this flight mission, all data captured by the drone will be stored locally on your designated server for later access. After completing the mission, the drone will autonomously return home. Now, we will proceed with the data processing. Select Model Library, then click Start Mapping. Now, select the photos for mapping. Under Coordinate System, you will see different EPSG codes. Now, click Start Mapping. Please wait until the mapping operation has fully finished before proceeding. Click the model. This model can be overlaid to your maps, enabling to visualize the area and plan any missions accordingly to your preferences. Thank you for watching the video. If you have inquiries, questions about DJI on-premises, please contact us at sales@aerosmart.ae. Thank you.